Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that we're most frequently asked to perform by our clients is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used on a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of software restriction that only lets them be used on the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier. Now here with us today, we happen to have a Galaxy J7 originally from T-Mobile, and this one has actually not been SIM unlocked yet because we can see that we have the invalid SIM card message there on the screen. Currently, we have our test SIM card inserted, which is from Cricket here in the United States, and they're a prepaid carrier that runs on AT&T's network, so that's why we're getting that message there. Now, if we go ahead and swipe away the lock screen, we get this other message that states that the device is network locked, and then it tells us to use the Unlock app preloaded by T-Mobile on the device to get the phone unlocked. We're making this video to let all of our clients know that we actually offer a way to be able to get the device unlocked without having to go through T-Mobile's app, and that's actually what we're doing right here, right now on the phone while it's connected. So I've just finished running the program that does the unlocking for us, and then after it restarts here, we should be able to see that those messages are gone and that the device does indeed get signal on our SIM card that is inserted there. So just give it a second here while the phone restarts. And then we've got the T-Mobile logo, of course. Okay, so we can notice right away that we don't have that invalid SIM card message there anymore. And if we go ahead and swipe that away, we also see that the other network lock message is gone as well. If I can click back to the lock screen real quick, we should be able to see here that we are indeed registered here on Cricket, as it says up there in the corner, and then we also have our full signal bars over there on the other side as well. So the device has now been permanently and fully officially SIM unlocked, and it's able to be used on other compatible carriers. Before we go here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you what we're working with so that you do see which model it is. So we can see there in the settings that we have the Galaxy J7, and then of course the model number, the J700T, which identifies it as a T-Mobile device. So if you have a Galaxy J7 from T-Mobile and would like to get it SIM unlocked for use on a different carrier, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the information there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy for you. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.